Welcome to Wrong Time Watch. My name is Kevin, and today we have an unboxing video. What we have here is the Solas Starlight. I hope I'm pronouncing that correctly. This was over at Horology Insanity, my friend Josh, and we were talking, and he said, "Hey, I have this cool watch. I think you'd like to check it out." And he cleared it with the owner, who I've been talking to a little bit, and so we have it here to check out. I'm excited about this watch. Uh, the owner did send me an information packet, which I have not read yet. I will read it before the full review. I just like to get a first impression of this without looking at all the information first and see what I can kind of figure out on my own. And I know that it has a micro rotor, but I don't actually know what it looks like. And I know that this is a prototype. And anyway, I thought there's something else in the package there. I know it's just a prototype and the screws are not blued on this, but they will be blued on the production model. I have a picture of that, which I will share during the full review. I'll probably just show you on my phone. I haven't gotten too good at editing videos and stuff like that yet. Maybe one day. So let's check this out. I'm very excited to check this out. Okay, yeah, very nice. It has an aventurine dial. I don't exactly remember how they make the dial. I think I looked it up once before, kind of forgot about it. So, not a screw down crown. You see it has a sub dial for the seconds there. Also feeling the strap, I remembered, I forgot what kind of strap it is, but the owner did warn me it may be a little bit more worn than usual due to all the other folks handling this. So like I said, I'll go into all the information in the full review. This thing is gorgeous though. Very cool dial. This is my first time experiencing an aventurine dial. I tried to buy the Zelos Nova with the aventurine dial, and that one sold out on me. And actually, I need to do a video on the one that I did get. Oh, that is so cool. Look at that micro rotor. I really like a hand winding movement with the display case back. And if you have a normal, actually I have my other watch. If you have an automatic watch with the display case back, you really can't see much of the movement because the rotor usually takes up about half of that window there, which I'm showing you here on my Explorer Homage watch. That is ETA movement in here. I bought this from a fellow Random Rob Discord member. Anyway, back on this watch, I just wanted to show you why I like a micro rotor or a hand winding movement. Let's zoom in on this. Looks like some nice finishing for a prototype. As I mentioned, the screws will be blued on the production model. I'll show you a picture of that during the full review. We'll also discuss the movement, all of that good detail to know. Yeah, it's a very cool watch. Signed crown. Let's check out the dial since we're zoomed in here. Definitely looks like a starry night. Unfortunately, I don't have a good macro camera, but I guess this will do for now. So let me get this on wrist. I think we've checked out a good amount of this watch for a short unboxing video here. Let me see what happens if when I wind this. What we can see moving here. I'm going the wrong way. You see those gears moving there? That one gear moving, I should say. All right, very cool. So let me get this on rest. We'll zoom back out. Move this stuff off to the side there. I need to figure out the deployment. I'm assuming I'm going to need to go. We'll try the very last hole position there, or the very first, however you want to look at it. I'm on the second to last, I think. Come on. Let's just see if it stays there. I'm assuming I'm doing that right. And I guessed wrong on the size. It's kind of embarrassing. I thought it would be a short video. It's one of these things where you can set it and forget it, but not setting in there so well for me. There we go. Good enough for now. I'll fix it up better off camera, but this will give us a good wrist shot here. I have a 6.5 inch wrist, and I think it's a little big for my wrist, but maybe not too bad. Gives you more dial to appreciate on this. A very thin bezel as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments what you think about this watch. I really like the movement with that micro rotor, and the dial is great as well. Let me know if you've heard of this brand before. I am somewhat familiar with this brand. I remember seeing it. I don't know if just One More Watch did a video with this. I remember seeing this on some other videos now that I think about it some more. So anyway, that will conclude today's video. As always, thank you for watching, and I'll catch you on the next video.